Assalamualaikum. Our group will present the application that we create, which is hotel.co. Now I will introduce our group members. Firstly, Nur Fazirayu binti Mat Hanafi. Second, Amira Rahanah binti Azmi. Then, Alia Syara binti Muhammad Zain. And lastly, I am Siti Natra binti Mama Asri. Firstly, I want to present about introduction of this application. After the COVID-19 pandemic, many people want to travel everywhere. Therefore, hospitality service are much needed. In general, the best hotel service will be the choice of travelers. As we know, previously, the service to open the hotel room door only used the card provided by the hotel management. Therefore, we will convert the card to one application. So, this application is designed to make it easier for travelers to open the hotel room door by simply scanning the QR code found on each room door. Second, every QR code will have an expiration date after the tourist stay period ends. Lastly, this application will store all tourist data such as name, period of stay, number of guests, and others. Now, look at the objective of this application. Firstly, to make it easier for tourists to open the door of room hotel using just one application, such as tourists only has to download an application at their phone. Second, to protect the privacy of tourists from being invaded. Thirdly, make it easier for tourists not to have to send a card to the hotel management. Now, I will pass to Nur Fazirayu to continue her part.
Okay, the next slide is about novelty. As we know, each application must have its own specific and unique. So, here are some of the new things and prevalence that the hotel.co apps has. First, based on the slide, this application is easy to access, which is, for your information, hotel.co is an application that is used as a platform to open hotel rooms doors. It is easy to access because tourists only need to scan the private barcode found on the door of their room. The barcode is private and only the owner of the room can access. Other than that, the second novelty is these applications can also make it easier for tourists to enter their rooms, this is because, as we know, nowadays most hotel management gives them a card as a key to open their room door. But with this hotel.co application, they no longer have to carry the card anywhere. And lastly, the hotel.co application also makes it easier for tourists to provide feedback on the level of hotel service. For example, tourists can leave comments in the apps. With the comments given indirectly will make the hotel management make improvements to their service. Okay, the next slide is about creativity. For your information, this hotel.co app has their own creativity and personality. For example, firstly, in this application, the design we use is very interesting. This application can not only be accessed by tourists, but also the hotel staff will also be able to access. This is intended to record data as well as important tourist information. At the same time, travelers do not have to worry about the privacy level of their data. It is because their data and information are in a control state. And other than that, hotel.co application also is a user-friendly application. which is, in general, this application can be accessed by the room owner and also the staff who have been in charge. All functions available in this application are very useful to tourists.
Now I will continue about usefulness. The use of these Hotel.co apps to make it easier for customers to enter their rooms without using a card. They only need to use the barcode available on these apps to enter their rooms. This is because the barcode used has been connected to the system of the hotel they are staying. In addition, the advantage of this app is that users do not have to worry if they left their cards, because these apps can help them in overcoming the problem. After that, these apps are also to protect users from all things like aggression room from happening. Then, all check-in and check-out service will use only with this application. With this, be able to avoid dealing with the public and maintain social distance. With the application, customers no longer must deal with the registration counter provided at the hotel. Tourists only need to download the app. Now I will continue about overall acceptability or practicality. All hospitality industries accepts the Hotel.co application because it is a good platform to facilitate their customers. These apps can be spread with only viral power on social media. For example, through TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. This application can also respond from some of the hotels we have surveyed. This is because our main reference is to facilitate customers. Now, I will pass to my friends to continue her part.
Okay, the next slide is about commercial value and marketability. The first point is we commercial our apps in Play Store, App Store, and other app can we join to promote our app public. And for your information, this way our app will be known and the marketability of our app will be higher, as more hotel will use this app to facilitate them during the COVID-19 outbreak. The second point of commercial value or marketability is hotel and tourists, which is our application focus on the hotel market because it is an open market system that allows service providers such as like hotels to promote their hotels and service to travelers who want to make reservation at their hotel. And lastly, is Hotel.co is one of the platform to promote Malaysian tourism, which is this application is one of the application that can promote tourism in Malaysia. For tourists and visitors in the country, online platform help facilitate vacation planning. Therefore, digital tourism in the country is necessity for the sustainable of the country tourism and industry. Okay, the next slide is about cost and economy. Based on the slide, we can see the respondent, the survey that we do to take the respondent of the Hotel.co. We offer our applications at a price of RM4 and we have received respondent for several hotels, which is there are 94% agree with the price we offer. Other than that, in education, we have also made a promotion to promote our application. The price for the promotion is RM150. This, for your information, this price is very affordable and can also attract more hotels to use our application. Next is for economic effective. We think that with these applications, it will be able to increase the hotel market that use our applications. This is because this application is very convenient for travelers and they do not have to bother to keep a card or key to open the door of their hotel room. The market value will increase as there is an increase in demand for room booking in the hotel.
This is for our design for the application hotel.com.
I think that's all from our group. Thank you.